In this video series, we are going to see the practical part of HTML table. And here we have the question, create an employee table with the following fields. The first one is employee number, then comes out with employee name, department, salary and city. Enter 3 records in the table. Let's begin with HTML coding in Notepad. HTML, then comes out with head tag. Then here we have title. Title will be table example. Close the title tag. Later close the head tag. Then comes out with beginning of body tag. Later we will provide the beginning of table tag. Then comes out with table heading, th tag. Heading will be employee details. Closing of th tag is optional. Later we have to provide the column headings. Then here comes out with tr indicates here table row. Then td indicates here table data. The first one is employee number. The closing of td is optional. Then comes out with employee name. Then comes out with department. Then comes out with salary. The last one is city. Later closing of tr tag is optional. This completes one row where we have provided column headings, employee number, employee name, department, salary and then city. Right now we will enter data for each column heading. tr, then td, employee number will be 1. Then comes out with td, name will be Arya. Then comes out with td, department will be HR. Then comes out with TD. Salary will be 20,000. Then comes out with TD. City will be Pune. Even closing of TR tag is optional. Right now we are going to enter the second record. TR, then TD, 2. Then TD, Aniket, then TD, projects, then TD, salary 40,000, then TD, place will be Mumbai, that is city. The last record, that is third record, as per the question. TR, then TD, 3, then TD, employee name will be Aditya, then TD, production, then TD, salary 30,000, then TD, city will be Belagavi. We can see the 3 records are entered, right? Right now we will close the table tag. Then close the body tag. Then close the HTML. Later save the file, save. This we are going to save it in C drive, and here comes out with BCom5. File name will be table.html. Save. Go back to that particular folder, and here we can see. Just do double click, and here we can see the output. But for this particular table, the border is not applied. Let's apply the attributes of the table tag. Go back to table tag, space, border is equals to 1. Save this one. Go back to browser, reload it, and here we can see the border is applied. But table heading has to be spanned for 5 cells horizontally. In that case, for th tag, we have to use the attribute column span is equals to 5. 5 indicates here first column, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And here we can see the title, table example. Back to the HTML coding, th space, then column span equals to 5. Save this one. Back to the browser, reload it. We can see here. Alignment of the table is left. We can make it center or even right also. Right now we will provide the other attributes of table tag. Align equals to center. Then height equals to 200. Width equals to 200. Then we will provide border color. Border color equals to blue. Save this one. We will see the output. Reload it. We can see right now the table is at the center and border color is blue. Now we will see the remaining attributes. BG color, that is nothing but background color, is equals to light blue. Cell spacing equals to 3. Cell padding equals to 5. Save this one. Back to the browser, reload this one. We can see here the background color is applied and we have a space between the cells, and we have the space between the content and the cell border also. Now we will provide the caption for a particular table. In that case, caption has to go immediately after the table tag. Caption, table 1, employee info. Save this. Back to the browser, reload it, and we can see the caption has come down here. It is placed at the top. Default placing of the caption is at the top. Even we can place at the different location also. By using the attribute align, align is equals to bottom. Save this one. Back to the browser, reload this one, and here we can see it is at the bottom. Now we will see at the left hand side, save, reload this one, and here we can see this is at the left side. Now at the right side, save, reload this one. This is right now at the right side. Now we will change align of caption with bottom. Then for table heading, we will be using row span, that is for vertical spanning. Save this one, go back to the browser, reload this one, and here we can see the caption has come at the bottom and row span is applied for table heading, and we can see here the heading has come vertically. Now we will be using V-align attribute. V-align indicates here vertical alignment that can be used for TD and as well as for TH. But right now I'll be using for TH. After row span is equals to 5, place here V-align equals to default. We can see here it is at the middle. In case of middle, it's not required that we have to take here middle. I'll be taking here right now top, save this one, reload here, and right now it is placed at the top. Then in the same way we will see for bottom, save this one and reload here. Right now it is at the bottom. In case of middle, it's not required that we have to use V-align. Remove this one, save, go back to the browser, reload. Right now it is at the middle. I request the students to write down this particular coding in your notebook. Later I'll be telling you regarding about nesting of table. Before I just go for nesting of table, I just change the table heading back with column span, that is horizontal spanning. Save this one, back with the browser, reload. Right? Okay. In this table, this particular cell, that is a last row, last column, this particular cell we are going to nest with 2 rows and 2 columns. Where Belagavi is there, just remove Belagavi. Later, open the table tag with border is equals to 1. Then the first row TR, then TD1, then later TD2, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. Again second row TR, here TD3, then TD4. Later we have to go for closing of table tag. This part is nested inside the another table. Save this one, back with the browser, reload, and here we can see the nested table inside a cell. We will apply the BG color for the nested table. BG color is equals to green yellow combination. Don't provide any space between green and yellow. Save this one, back to the browser, reload, and here we can see. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded.